Using the recruit tracking tool within the portal is a great way to organize your recruitment efforts and keep in touch with new prospective volunteers. The recruit tracking tool uses a customer relationship management system, also known as a CRM, to enable departments to monitor potential volunteers through every stage of the application process. To use the tool, log into your account on the portal, find the Track Your Recruits button on the dashboard, and select your department. If you have not added your department, go to your profile in the top right corner and add it to your account. This ensures that when a volunteer application is submitted through makemeafirefighter.org, the department contact person for the listing is notified via email, and the applicant is automatically added to the tracking tool under Interested. If you want to add a new prospect to the tracking tool manually, just click the Add New Prospect button above your list and fill out the form that outlines who the prospect is, what their interests are, and how you are connected. The tool also allows departments to move recruits throughout the entire application process, from interest to commitment, and helps you keep a contact history for each applicant. Once the prospect is added to the tracking tool, you can update each time you connect with them, email them individually or as a group based on where they are in the application process, filter them based on various criteria, and download their information as a spreadsheet. The Recruit Tracking Tool is a great tool offered through the portal to ensure that departments have an easy and effective way to organize their recruitment efforts. Get tracking today at portal.nbfc.org.